Hey guys, today we're checking out stock number 301606, and this is a 2020 Buick Enclave, and our color is dark slate metallic. Let's take a look inside at some of our interior features that we've got on this unit. We have a power hatch, windows, mirrors, folding mirrors, power locks, memory seat, a power driver's seat with lumbar support. Got our parking brake, interior and exterior lighting controls. Our steering wheel features hands-free, cruise control settings, forward collision alert and heat, stereo remote controls. We are satellite radio ready. Got our traction control, all-wheel drives, parking assist, lane keep assist, electronic and dual climate control with heated and vented front seats, USB ports, automatic transmission. We're also OnStar ready. We got our sunroof controls, garage door openers, and our interior color is tan and black. Moving on to our rear passenger features, we've got power windows, 2 bucket seats, which also come heated, rear climate control, USB ports, and the seats do fold down and forward for access to that third row 60/40 split bench seat. Onto our exterior, we've got our roof rack, 20-inch Buick rims. We've got rear parking aid, a rear view camera, remote hatch, all of our cargo space, a little folding button here that'll drop down your seat for you. That'll give you some more room. Normally it folds all the way down. However, that rear passenger seat's not folded all the way forward. All right, moving on. That's it, guys. Stock number 301606. You've just checked out this dark slate metallic 2020 Buick Enclave. Thanks for watching.